Hello guys, this is Odis from TCTFX, and today I'm going to be showing you a trade that I took today. It was successful, but at the same time it was really not, and I'm going to explain why. So I do my usual routine. I wake up, and then I go to the charts, and then I am seeing where the market is at. So for example, I know the market is bearish right now. It's going down, so my bias is obviously that it's gonna be going down. It's gonna be sells, but you never know either. If it decides to do whatever it wants to do, it could go up. It could break the highs, and then it just keep on going up and reverse. So you never know. But usually when you're gonna trade, you want to have like kind of like a bias towards it, but also don't be scared to change it once you see what's going on. Because remember, we trade, at least me, I trade price action. So what I see in the charts is what I'm gonna trade. It doesn't matter if my bias was that it was gonna go down. So yeah, just so you guys know that. So okay, let me explain the trade. This trade was very simple. It was a breakout, like how I always trade. That's my main strategy. So I come and then I set my lows and highs, and then I just waited to see. So what I saw was that it broke the low, right? And I said, you know what? It broke. It didn't break with so much like strength. So I was like, okay, let me see if it does a little pullback. So that's exactly what it did. So I pulled back a little bit, and then I saw this big, huge candle going down. To me, that says, oh, I'm gonna keep going down. So what I simply did, I waited for it to close, and then I just put my entry right here, and then I put my stop loss, and then I put my take profit, which is always 55 pips, and my stop is 15, and my take profit is 55. So what I did was I placed everything, and then I turned off my computer and I went to sleep. So I woke up around 6 a.m. to check the trade to see what was going on. And then when I wake up, it is around here, around this area, right? So I'm like, okay. It was up a good amount of money, not what I usually get, but it was good up amount, like a good percent. And then I said to myself, okay, look at this big drop that we've done. This is a lot of pips. So it's eventually going to retrace. It has to retrace. The market can't just keep going. It could do it. It could do whatever it wants. Like for example, here, this is all news. This is like it is news. But I'm saying like the market can't just keep going. Like it can't keep going down. It has to go up. It has to retrace. It has to you need to get pullbacks. So I was expecting a pullback, and I'm like, you know what? What I'm gonna do is whatever. I'm gonna set my stop right here. My stop, my SL, and I put it right here to break even. And I said, what? You know what? Whatever, bro. Let me go. And I went back to sleep a little bit. And it was still like around here. And then I woke up again and I went to check it just out of, curiosity. And then I saw that it was like around here. And I'm like, you know what? I'm happy with what I have. Whatever. I'm just going to get out. And that's exactly what I did. I got out around at this price. And I just went to sleep. And when I woke up, I saw what happened. Exactly what I thought it was gonna happen, and did this huge pullback. This is all manipulation, getting all these stops up here to get you out, and then obviously continue going to the downside. So that's exactly what it did, and what it's still doing to this day. So yeah, I did follow my rules in a way. My rule is I just don't look at it. I just let it keep going. But also it's also NFP week, so the market is very it likes to do like whatever it wants to do. It's very weird. So I'm like, you know what? Let me close it, and that's exactly what I did. So I closed it around here, and then I just got out with like a 1.54 like percent. It was a good trade. I'll take it. At least I didn't lose money. So that's what's important. So yeah, just remember, always follow your rules, and sometimes you gotta look at what's happening. If you know what time it is, it's NFP week, and you see that the market has been going down for like a good amount, and obviously it's gonna do a retracement, and it will do a deep retracement like it did right here. Look at this. The price went all the way up here, but again, this is all news. This big wick right here is just to catch all the stops that are up here, and then to keep on continuing down. So yeah, always follow your rules. And when you see things like this, you gotta act in the moment, because you never know. You never know what could happen. If I left this trade, like to just go and forget about it, it would have been a break even. So at least I got out with some money out of it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this quick little video that I did about this trade. So yeah, guys, see you on the next one.